Instead of doing these steps manually to achieve this deep zoom effect, I actually made a script to automate all these steps. If you want this script, let me know in the comments, and it's available on my Telegram channel or Google Drive. After downloading the script, go to After Effects. Go to File, Script, Run Script File, and select the script you downloaded. It will appear as a simple and easy panel. Okay, let's see how it works. Just select the layers you want to apply the Z-axis position value to, and turn on the keyframes. Move the headline a few seconds. Here, set it to 0 because we're starting from 0 time. Here, in the step option, I will add the value 1000, which is the difference between the layers. Here, set it to 0 because the keyframe will start from 0. Then press this button, and everything will be applied with one click.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. I thought I had it figured out, believed in us, we were meant to be, no doubt. A teenage love, everybody else could see the way we were, living in a fantasy. when I came